this picture, intensity of radiation as noted above is proportional to the number of energy quanta per unit area per unit time. The greater the number of energy quanta available, the greater is the number of electrons absorbing the energy quanta, and greater therefore is the number of electrons coming out of the metal for the given frequency above threshold frequency. This explains why photoelectric current is proportional to intensity. That means photons hits the electrons and electrons get detached from the metal surface. In Einstein's picture, the basic elementary process involved is in photoelectric effect is the absorption of a light quantum. I repeat, light quantum by an electron. This process is instantaneous. Thus, whatever may be the intensity, photoelectric emission is instantaneous. Low intensity doesn't mean delay in emission because the elementary process is the same. Intensity only determines how many electrons are able to participate in the elementary process and therefore the electric current. This means the process is instantaneous. It takes place, a photon hits an electron and getting emitted out of the metal surface. So the process is instantaneous. It does not depend on the intensity because intensity only related to number of photoelectrons per unit area per unit time. It doesn't matter how many electrons photons are getting struck on the metal surface. So we can say that one photon, one electron, that is the relation. Using the equation, we can write photoelectric equation as EV0 is equal to h nu minus phi 0 for a frequency that is greater than or equal to the threshold frequency. So here K max is replaced by EV0. For a graph or curve for V0 versus nu, it is known that it is a straight line with a slope h by e. This is independent of the material, and Millikan just tried to disprove this this theory, and he tried to conduct an experiment with the sodium, and he gets the straight line value, and knowing the value of E, he could able to calculate the value of H. He gets the approximate value of Planck's constant. So instead of disproving the theory, he proves the Einstein's photoelectric equation. So this is one of the experiment that was conducted to prove the theory, and this after this one, a number of scientists are try to conduct the experiments that are related to photoelectric effect, and thus those scientists are able to identify and understand photoelectric effect more precise manner.